No, it's fun.
Yeah, sir. Una sa lahat, we all know that it's the Knicks and the Spurs in the finals. After game 1, kung nanonood kayo, Dr. GM, what was your observation after game 1 and what do you think will transpire for the rest of the series?
Well, I thought that the youth of the Spurs showed in game 1 in the end game. Okay? Instead of executing the way they used to execute, they started taking bad shots. In other words, long shots and deep into the shot clock. Because, siyempre nga, may youth nga sila. They felt the pressure. They've never been there. Okay? The other team has been there. So, more or less, yung mga players ng New York were more ready for the situation. They were rather than the one for the Spurs. But that's why if you watch the interviews of Wemby, he says, we'll fix that because we know what happened. So that's what I thought. Nung inabot sila ng pressure, doon ang nangyari sa kanila. Yung execution nila hindi na maganda. And in fairness to the Knicks, maganda dumipin sa Knicks. And when they were able to use a small lineup, they could switch on anybody. They just took away the outside shooting. But when he wasn't going in, that was the problem. If he was going in, Knicks couldn't do that. That is a big man.
Okay. Dr. J, you've been to San Antonio many times for the finals, but your
Yes.
first was in 99 with the
1999.
Knicks Spurs then. What was your experience that time?
Oh, fantastic ang Madison Square Garden. Even the Spurs, that was the first time. And we were in the old Alamo Dome. Okay? Wherein, when you go in, ang layo ng korte. That's why you could fit 50,000, but you'd be people that would have been looking at it from the side view this way. Because there are so many courts, not only basketball courts, may mga tennis courts or whatever, small badminton courts or whatever, before you reach the main, and then mataas. But Madison Square Garden is out of this world. It was such a great pleasure for us to be in that situation. Alam mo, the San Antonio fans are very big in basketball, as well as, of course, the New York fans. But the only reason why I thought dihadong ang New York was because Patrick Ewing was injured. If he had played, it would be a different story. Because Patrick Ewing can match up against Tim Duncan and Kay Robinson, there's no question. It would have been maybe a game 6 or a game 7, and who knows who